Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Wednesday Wisdom. My name is JB Hilliard, and these are video snippets, short videos to answer questions that you may have about estate planning or probate, or maybe there are other legal concerns that may be impacting your household. And for this week's video, I recently got the question, and I've gotten this question before, regarding doing an estate plan. And the scenario is, what happens if I, as the client, if I don't have it in the budget to create a full-on estate plan? What then is the most important thing that I should do, or what is the top priority that I should take care of? And of course, my answer was, it depends. The typical government answer, it depends. Because there are so many different factors that play into what an estate plan accomplishes for you. So while we can talk about just certain documents that need to be drafted or need to be prepared, there's really no way to give one answer that says this is the most important thing you should do, or this is the first thing you should do. Because it does depend. It depends on your family circumstances. It depends on what it is you're wanting to accomplish. It depends on your health status. If you're having a lot of bouts with going to and from doctors or hospital visits and things of that nature, and your health is a bigger concern, then a healthcare directive should already be in place if you're having to go through all of that. On the other hand, if you have minor children that where you want to make sure the people, if something should happen to you, that you have guardians in place or guardians nominated, that would be your first preference for the individuals who would be taking care of your children in your absence. That can be done via a will. So it really just depends. And with all of that, a discussion should be had by you and a professional, a financial planner or a financial advisor, a legal advisor, to see what you currently have in place, where the gaps are, and how to best go about filling those gaps. So while that's a great question to ask, it's a very difficult question to answer. So with that said, hopefully you will ask those questions and continue asking those questions that are specific to your situation, so that you can get the right guidance and go forward in the right steps to achieve what you need to achieve and to get done what you need to get done. All right. So with that said, as always, I thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.